First, log in to peerassessment.com, and from the dashboard, in my example I will go to fall 2021 and we're going to create a class. Press the Create New Class button and you'll be taken to a screen that you need to complete with a few pieces of information about the class that you are making. I will add an example class, which is going to be English English 201, and the course title will be Rhetoric. The class section is where you, as a teacher, are timetabled at a certain time of day. You have a set of students and they'll be taking that class for a certain length of time. This is how PA.com defines a class and how Coventry University tends to define a module. This is in the class section 1 and this is in fall 2022, and the mode in which I'm teaching is going to be online. You see that Coventry University has a site license, so you will not have to pay for anything in PA.com. We now add the instructor. I start typing a name in here and it recognises this as long as you've used it before, and with the instructors. If it doesn't recognise you, then you can add more instructors if you wish to do so. In this case, I'll add another instructor and I'll make this person an assistant. My colleague will then be able to access this class when they log in, and they'll be able to look at this class results. When all instructors are added, you're ready to create a class by clicking on the Create Class button at the bottom. At this point, the application is going to give you more information at the top of the screen, and this is now the class page that you will be working with in future. We will need to import our students by loading the file that we downloaded earlier from Aula. Click on the Import Student File button. As you can see, there are no students or teams at the moment in the actual application. And now we select our file that we had originally from Aula. We have to look for it on our computer. So now I'm going to browse for it. It's going to be in my downloads file. Okay, and now I click the Import Data button. As you can see, there are different types of imports depending on the VLE you're using, but we're using the Aula one, so we just use Aula People Export File. I exported the groups, so this has the group's name for each of the students and includes their email, their first name and their last name. I did not import a student ID, so that is not included. So once you have made certain that the information is in the correct columns, click on the Confirm and Import button. This will import the data into pa.com, and we can now see we have 6 students and 3 teams in pa.com. If you make a mistake or you want to make substantial changes to the students' data, this can be done. However, we recommend that you do this before you do their first assessment. This is carried out by clicking on the Clear Students button that will delete the imported file in pa.com, and you can then import a corrected file by following the previous steps with a new Aula downloaded file. If you find that you have difficulties with this, then please contact us at techsupport@peerassessment.com, where we can help you. For the next video in this series, go to peerassessment.com/Coventry and follow the video 6 Manage Teams link.